everyone. You saw all the hostas in my front yard, and I wanted to try these hostas and cook them in Indian style. I saw a lot of YouTube videos where people cook them with butter, garlic and salt, so I thought of trying it in the Indian way. I have these lentils over here. These are called masoor dal. I've taken half an onion, some turmeric, some cumin seeds, some mustard seeds for temporary. Then I've taken a small piece of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic and 2 chili peppers, and some oil, of course, for tempering, and salt to taste. So first thing what I'll do is I will cook these lentils, and then I will show you how I put this together. I'm going to chop these hosta leaves into small pieces so it combines well with the cooked dal. Now I finished chopping my hosta leaves into really small pieces, also my onions and my green chilies. Now we can get started with cooking them. Here I'm adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil is good enough. To this I'll be adding the mustard seeds, and once the mustard seeds begin to splatter, I'll be adding in the cumin seeds, and then we'll close the lid so it doesn't get all around the stove. We'll give it a minute or 2 for this to splatter. Mustard seeds and cumin seeds finished splattering. Now to this I'll be adding the onions that I chopped, and we will fry it very well. I just now added all my hostas that I chopped. Let us give it a good stir. I'll be adding like half a cup of water to this so it cooks well. I'll be adding around half spoon of salt to this. Add salt according to your taste. In the meantime, I cooked my dal separately. If you want, you can cook it along with the hosta greens in the pressure cooker. It just happened that I was cooking something else, so I put it along with other things and cooked it in the pressure cooker. Now once the hostas cook, like I should say 75%, then we'll add these lentils to it, and that's it. It will all be ready. Now we'll give it this a good stir and cover and cook for another 2 minutes, and it will be ready.